Okay, it's been a month and a half since I received my PacMotor. I got the PacMotor combo with the battery. So I'm kind of excited. I can't use it yet because it's still winter. I got about 3 more months before spring shows up, and I'll be able to use this PacMotor and battery. So let's see what's in the box. So we have the manual instructions, and here it is, the actual motor, and we have the remote control, the cable to the battery, a couple of straps. Okay, let's pull this motor out. Feels pretty solid. Looks good. Can't wait to hook it up. Again, this is the cable, I guess, to the battery, and then the remote. Alright, straps. Okay, that's it. That's all in the box. Now let's pull out the battery. Here's the battery that I purchased as well as part of the combo, and you got the cable, and this is the power adapter. Looks like a power adapter. Yep. And another connector, and then we have the battery. All right, so it's a 16-volt battery, 50 ampere hour battery. And on the side here we have the actual connector where you can connect the cable right there to from the battery to the PacMotor, and you got a display right there to see the status of your battery. Doing a quick test of the PacMotor. Got the remote right here. You can see that. Turn it on. Okay, it's on. It's hooked up to the battery. Alright, so let's see. We're moving forward. Both props are working. Reverse. It works. And then sideways. Well, I can't wait to get into water to make sure it's working properly, but right now, from an operational standpoint, it's working. Alright, so there it is, all together. I've got, again, the PacMotor and the battery combination. And I can't wait till spring comes around, and I'll have this all installed on my kayak. So we'll probably be doing a video to show all how this thing fits on my kayak. So, catch you guys later.